Artusi's interactive music fundamentals textbook is here, and it's awesome. Built around Artusi's impressive array of musical exercises, from note naming and pitch identification to rhythmic dictation, scales and key signatures, interval writing, beaming, chord building, and even voice leading, your students will get hands-on experience with the building blocks of music. Readable and accessible prose guides students through musical concepts step by step, like this passage that walks students through the construction of an A major scale note by note. Notated examples feature dynamic highlighting and interactive clickable keyboards with highlighted and labeled keys further aid student comprehension. Students are prompted to practice in line as they read, and their answers are automatically and instantly graded with clear and helpful feedback. Students can click to hear almost any musical example, reinforcing the relationship between notation and sound. Embedded audio and video mean that a virtually infinite selection of musical examples can be included. The repertoire covered in Interactive Music Fundamentals is more diverse than any existing Music Fundamentals textbook. From Mozart to Madonna, ABBA to Amy Beach, Rimsky-Korsakov to Rokia Traore, Eurythmics to Aretha Franklin, examples come from across the world. As if that's not enough, Artusi's Interactive Music Fundamentals is the first textbook that is totally customizable. Want to reorder chapters? Go ahead. Rearrange passages from the textbook? Just drag and drop. Think of a better musical example? Embed your own. Disagree with the authors? Change the text. Artusi's Interactive Music Fundamentals is the best way to teach music in the 21st century. And for academic year 2021 to 2022, it's included for free with access to Artusi. Don't miss this special offer. Go ahead and try it today.